Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be reviewing this super cute headband wig from Unice hair. Now originally I was not on the headband wig wave. I was very much a skeptic. I thought they were a waste of money. I didn't see the point of wearing a wig that you can only wear one way. But y'all, I changed my mind. I take back everything I said. I'm gonna unbox this wig for you guys today, show you guys how I applied it and how I styled it, and give you guys just my first impressions of the hair. So let's just get right on into it. This is the package right here. It came in 2 days to my house, of course, because it's Amazon. I've reviewed so many wigs and things from Unice hair on my channel. I'll have them listed down below, but let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, looks nice and long. Comes with this floral headband and a wig cap, which I may or may not be using, and that's all that comes in here. So this is a 22-inch curly headband wig from Unice hair. I'll have all the specs and everything on the screen so you guys can check it out. Oh, and it comes with another headband as well, this one. Cute. And just comes like this. This is what the pattern looks like up close. Has a little hairnet over it. And comes with this on the inside. Feels soft. It smells okay. It's a really pretty pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and first things first, I'm gonna have to slick down my edges. I already have my hair like in a low bun, which should work for this, but in order to put this on, I'm gonna have to do something with these edges, child. So I'm just gonna do a couple of swoops. So back to the wig. It has 3 combs, and these are pretty wide. This one is a pretty wide comb. As you guys can see, it goes pretty far. This is the one that's in the middle, and then there's smaller ones on the side, like by your ears, and one small one in the back. So it seems like it'll be pretty secure. Let's hook her on and see where I want to place it. And I'm gonna pull that down over my ponytail in the back. Ooh. Stick that comb in back there. Adjust this front piece. And I normally don't like to clip in the hair on the sides just because I need to save my edges. I already have like really thin edges naturally, so I don't like to do too much in that area. But just for the sake of this, so you guys know how secure it is. Oh yeah, it feels really secure with the side pieces on. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip that on. But normally, like on the everyday basis, I would not do that, just because I don't want to have my edges all crazy. So this is the Velcro. I just unfolded it, and then it's gonna connect to the other side just to pull it nice and tight in the back. Okay. All right, wait a minute. This is cute. I don't like this thick headband, so I'm folding it over to expose a little bit more of my hair. But this is cute, you guys. Wait a minute. Let me just kind of tousle through the hair, get a feel for it. I honestly wish I would have got it longer. Like I should have got the 26-inch, and that would have been a vibe. But like I said, this is the 22. It's really pretty. It's not super duper full to the point where when it's curly it's gonna give you like out to here vibes. So I like the density of it. It's a nice healthy density. It's not too thick. I don't like my curly hair too thick because it just gets to be too big and out to here, and I kind of like my curly hair more contained. I did pick up some headbands, which I'm gonna show y'all. So I knew that these were the type of headbands that were gonna come in the package, and these honestly aren't my favorite. They give very much like house maiden, you know, not like going outside type of headbands. Well, this one is okay, but this one very much gives me like headscarf vibes, and I don't like that. So I went on Amazon and purchased a 3-piece set of headbands, one for every outfit. Basically I have a gray, a black, and a cream. I feel like the cream one would go the best with this outfit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on and see how it looks. Yeah, like this is super duper cute. You could wear it straight back, and I think that's how I would wear it with the headband. I'll wear the hair like straight back, and just make sure that the headband is covering what's underneath it, because then it'll look crazy. And this is how I would wear it. I really like this. This is really cute. I have not washed this hair or anything yet, and I will probably give you guys an update on how the hair is doing, but this is just my unboxing and like, you know, just first thoughts on the hair. It's not shedding. Oh, I lied. Wait, hold on. It is shedding a little bit. I got this little piece out.
I don't like that.
So, but other than that, as I run my fingers through the hair, I'm not getting really anything. Yeah, it was just that one piece. I don't know what that was about, but yeah, it seems really nice, and it's not too full, so if it does get tangled, it's not gonna take me all day to untangle it, you know. But yeah, I like this, you guys. This is really cute. And honestly, at first I was not on the headband wig wave. I thought it was dumb because when headband wigs first came out, it was during like the beginning of the pandemic when there was a lace shortage and all of that, and I felt like brands were trying to get over on people by selling them these wigs without lace for like $200, $300, and I don't like that. Like, a wig that you can only wear in a headband should not cost you more than $200. Like, it's not giving. But I believe I paid $165 for this, and it's 22 inches, so I was okay with that. This hair seems like it's gonna be really good, and I'm definitely gonna give you guys an updated review on it because that's what I do. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. I purchased this wig, however, with my own money. This video isn't sponsored. I still turned down all the collabs, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a million more emails now about them because I'm doing a video on it. But yeah, I really like it so far. You can style it more ways than I thought as well. So if you guys want to see a video on different hairstyles that I do with my headband wigs, let me know. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video in the comments down below. Give this a big thumbs up if you guys like this hair, because I'm really feeling it. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling it. So yeah, that's really it for this video. I'm not going to take up too much more of you guys' time. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications so that you never miss an upload. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.